Hi guys, welcome to Favors Blog, your one-stop channel for amazing and interesting entertainment like no other. Trust me guys, you will not regret being a part of this family. All you need to is follow us on all our social media accounts displayed on your screen right now. Turn on the notification bell, subscribe to our channel so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Trust me guys, you will not regret being part of this amazing family. This na Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Tuesday, the 24th of January 2023. And our topic for today na Flames of Fire Part 4. Our Bible reading dey come from the book of Ecclesiastes chapter 4 verse 9 to 12. And our memory verse dey come from the book of Proverbs chapter 27 verse 17, wey tell us say, as iron dey sharpen iron, na so a man dey sharpen the countenance of a friend. Make we enter the main message. Fire dey very generous o. If you get 100 candles dem wey you wan light, all you need to do na to light one of the candle, and that one wey you light, you go fit use am take light the remaining 99. Fire dey light up other materials wey get the ability to carry the fire itself. Fire dey always dey find out good materials wey go fit burn. Na im make for inside Deuteronomy 34 verse 9, when Moses see say Joshua na better material, im put his spirit of wisdom into am. When Elijah also see say Elisha na good material, e come sama am with double portion of the power wey im get. What be the good materials dem around you wey you don notice? People wey be like say they get potential to do better things for God, if only say person go fit mentor them correctly. May you say carry body near them and may you hit them up for God. You no know how far wey this good material wey dey around you go fit burn for God o. If only you go fit bring that person very close to you so that the person go fit collect enough heat from you. I no understand how some men of God go dey try to off the fire of other people. Fire no dey follow itself dey do competition. Whenever fire meet another fire, dem dey join power together to make sure say their environment feel their power the more. E get anybody else wey dey carry fire around you? Forget denomination dem wey una dey go. Join force together with that person to push the kingdom of God go front. Personally, many obstacles dey wey be like say your fire go dey too small sometimes to overcome. But when you join body with another one, you go fit bring down mountains the way be like say dey high reach up. Anytime when e be like say one fire dey wan go down, that moment wey be like say e jam another fire like itself, the new one wey just dey come go rekindle and go come make the old one burn even more. The thing dey surprise me wey be like say sometimes when children of God see another pikin of God wey dey go dem go dey happy say I dey mind my business o, instead of them to go close to that person and to help the person restart the fire again so that person go fit burn more and more for God. Fire dey burn well when e be like say e come in contact with other fires. You and other fires wey dey around you go burn wella if una come together from time to time to dey rekindle one another. This na why you go find pastors dey always dey come together to form some kind meeting there so that everybody go make sure say nobody fire for inside that association go down. Believe me true, you go burn better if you no dey look away when you notice say the fire of another person around you don dey wan go down. Our reflection point for today say fire dey give well o, and e dey burn wella when e be like say e jam body with other fires. Open Heaven Daily Devotional na Pastor E.A. Adeboye, wey be the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, na him dey write am.